So this is a close-up view of me switching out the gear heads on my trimmer. My previous video about hedge trimming, in the beginning I showed how I switch out my trimmer head to put on my hedge trimmers on the same Stihl fs90 trimmer that I have, just to save me um, space and save me money. I'm just using one tool, something that was recommended to me by my dealer, so I took advantage of it. But I know Small Lawn's channel, she had commented if I could do another video on a close-up just to show a little more detail. So I finally got a chance to do that. So, and if anyone else had the same questions, here you go. But yeah, this is just me switching it out and trying to show how it's done. It's really simple. I mean, me doing it several times, maybe that's why I'm saying that. It might seem simple. I think in the beginning, the only trouble that I had was just, as you see me putting this on here, making sure that it fit down. You see, it doesn't go down all the way. You have to kind of spin it around a little bit until it clicks down in there. You got to wait, find the spot for the gear to actually get in, just like that. And then when it goes all the way down, now you know it's connected, and it's going to spin properly. Otherwise, it'll just spin inside and it won't actually be connected to anything, and you actually damage, your trimmer. So other than that, it just takes a little practice just doing that and making sure that you have it in properly. In the beginning, I would turn it on and it would spin and nothing would happen. And, so I learned from trial and error the first couple of times, but you get the hang of it pretty quickly. Other than that, you're just simply screwing and unscrewing those screws, and that's it with the tool that the Stihl trimmers come with. And that's it. So it's really easy and simple. Hopefully this video helps.